Hello everyone, today we have a 2020 Chevrolet Express G2500 conversion van, rear wheel drive, 6-liter V8, the clean title, and it is running good. So I'm gonna go ahead and close this up and take you for a tour. Also has a clean Carfax. Have the LED fog lights up front, alloy wheels, you have your custom low running boards that are deployable, which we have mount right now. So you have a tow package. Go ahead and give you a sneak peek of the interior here. You can see it does have a massive LCD screen. There's your vacuum right there. Blinds all the way around in the rear, and this running board on this side is longer, and you can turn the seats around. Super comfortable, and that one can fold down in the back. And I will add stills, a close-up of all of these as well. So you have a 110 outlet back here, and you have custom holsters for the remotes, and then you've got your ceiling lighting and sunroofs. I'll give you a shot in here as well. You have an aluminum kick plate, which is nice. Okay, as we look down there, I don't see what we're looking for, so we'll keep scrolling down until we get to it. Okay, and so we see that we have 13,811 miles on this vehicle. These are your trip computer buttons that I was just working with. Okay, cruise control, dome lights, exterior lights, and then you've got your push to talk and your stereo controls right there. Towing controls, 2- and 4-wheel drive, and stereo works great. Gonna jump over to your navigation, and this is how you do it. Just push map and it'll take you over there. You do have AM, FM, Bluetooth. Let's see the backup camera, pop it in reverse. And there's your backup camera in HD. Up here is your comfort controls for up front. Traction controls, OnStar, and then you have another 120 up here. 2 USB banks, another power supply right there. And then here's where you can control your running boards to come out, and cup holders, your seat comfort controls, and down here of course you have your cup holders, and you have your heated seats there on the side is where you have your heated seat controls. Come up top, you're going to have your map reading lights. They're your indirect lights, cabinets and such, and then your other comfort controls as well. So that about wraps it up for the interior of this Chev. I did mention that this vehicle does have a clean title, clean Carfax. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.